Hi, this is me, Najibul Sheikh. I am Google Merchant Center and website tracking expert. Recently, again, I got another Google Merchant Center reactive. That Merchant Center was suspended for the misrepresentation. This is the Merchant Center I got reactive. And if I show you the reactive mail, this Merchant Center I got reactive 19 January. This is the reactive mail. And this is the website of this merchant center, and I have fixed all the thing according to the Google policy. This website there have lot of mistake. There was a lot of mistake, like they did not properly mention the all the policy, necessary policy, like privacy policy, terms of service, billing terms and condition, return and refund. I have made all the policies properly as per Google policy, and contact information. I have list on the footer properly. The company name, phone number, email address, business hour. mm. So, and the about us page also they not provide previously, and I have created properly. So now all the all I have fixed, and now website is totally compliant to the Google policy and merchant center approved. Mm. So uh, my client told me this business they are doing since 3 or 4 years running. So if a website is old, and in that case, to very easy to get reactive the merchant center. And this business have also the Google My Business profile. If a business have a Google My Business profile and trustful any third party review, then in that case also very easy to get reactive the merchant center. I have most of the merchant center was working. Most of the website are new. So new website Google getting some problem to reactive the merchant center, because in the new website they'll not have a proper information about the business. So, and Google also did not don't know about the new business. That's why so critical to get reactive, so challenging to reactive a new website merchant center. Finally, this merchant center was reactive. So if you facing this type issue, like a misrepresentation issue on your merchant center, then feel free to contact me. Yeah, I will provide my contact details in the video description, and then you easily contact me in my WhatsApp, and then you can discuss about your merchant center issue. What kind of suspension are you facing, like misrepresentation or website need improvement, any kind of issue you can discuss with me, and then I will fix your issue. Okay. So yes, I have actually working since 3 years and in this sector, and almost 310 merchant center I have fixed with the same issue, like a misrepresentation. 80%, 85% merchant center I have fixed misrepresentation, and 50%, 15% like website need improvement. So yes, feel free to contact me if you really frustrated with this issue for a long time. I totally understand, because it's a so critical issue, because Google actually don't explain what is the issue having the website, why they are suspend the merchant center. They did not provide the exact reason. So that's why it's so complicated to understand where is the issue and why Google repeatedly suspend. So I understand, totally understand. Feel free to contact me. I will fix your merchant center. Thank you for watching this video, and I will share my another case study with the next video. So thank you. Bye.